Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Arc browser. So Arc is actually a browser that is like Chrome just because of Arc is made of the Chromium architecture, and we all know that Chrome is also made by the Chromium architecture. So this both platform, that both browser is work pretty much similar, and the source is actually the similar, so that it can get the data from the actual similar sources, and the version is actually the same, but the difference is between that is the interference, the interactions, the template, and the interface of that browsers here. So you can see it's totally different from our Chrome browser. So there's a creative idea of that to have a control panel as a sidebar here. So you can find the main window here, and you can get a sidebar as the control panel, not just like this Chrome browser here. So you can get all your tab here, but in Chrome browser you can get the tab in this section here, but in our browser you can get all the tab this tab in this section, and you can find these files that actually help you to save all the data, all this website if you want so. And you can also install some the extension of like Google Chrome browser, and you can add some bookmark here and also more feature like this. And so now let's download this Arc browser for our Windows. So you can download it from for your Windows or your MacBook here. So I'm going to download it for Windows. Here you can see it has just installed here. So you can also download it for the mobile also. Here is, so you can download it from your Google Play Store, or if you're an Apple device user, then you can go to the App Store and you can download it. Now here it is, the Arc installer file here. So we are going to simply click on it. Now here you can see it is actually loading. So here it is, so it's downloading. So you have to wait until it downloads completely. So here you can see it has just downloaded. So it will show you a little animation and a music also. Then it will ask for create account on Arc. So you have to enter your name first, like name, like, then the email address, and the password. I have read the terms of services here. Now create an account. Simply click on it and it will create an account for you on Arc. So let's wait to be that account created. Here it is. So get us up to speed. So you can select the Chrome, so you can find all of the data of all of the Gmail that actually added to your Chrome. So you can import that all. So you can import all of that from your email address. So you can select all. So you can import all of that. Now next, and enable Arcmax if you want so, then you can enable it, and just make Arc default, or no, still exploring my option here, so I'm not going to make it default. So welcome to Arc and your name here. Now you can get started with that session, or you can download this card here that you are a member of Arc. Now you can simply click on get started. Now here is the window. Let me show you. Here is the Arc window where you can find this type of interface. It looks pretty clean here. So here you can see all the bookmark of or the save platform that actually I have saved in my account on Chrome. So from here, Arc Basic, you can find different types of basic here, and imported from Chrome. So imported from Chrome here you can find like your main sheet or your Google Docs actually. So you can sign in to that and you can integrate to that, and ChatGPT actually, all of things from here. But we are going to simply close that here. So now here is your search bar. If you're searching for the search bar, this is actually your search bar, or you can simply hit enter. You can enter a search, or simply click on it, and here you can find the search bar where you can search for anything. For example, the Leonardo AI. So you can simply hit enter to search for that web page. Here it is. So it is actually integrated with Google, so the Google search engine. So here it is. So you can find that there is your main window. This is actually your next window where you can find all of your let me show you. You can find all of your tab listed in this section. So if you want to add more tab, you can simply click on new tab and you can enter anything. Like I'm going to add like anything, like, so you can add this like this. You can add more tab if you want. So for example, youtube.com, and just like this you can add like this if you want. So add as much as you want. So add more like Canva. Here it is. So it is actually showing you everything from that actually imported from your account, your Google account. So that's how you can just do it. Also you can find that section here, so you can actually move that section from here. So just like this, or actually you can make it customizable, you can make it movable, you can customize the size of this section just like this, or you can just decrease the size of that. Now from here you can find the page type here, that actually you can change between the users that actually you have on your one account. So you can actually get that, and here you can click on your this arc icon here, so you can get it that set arc as default browser if you want. So you can make it as default browser. You can check for updates from here, import from another browser if you want to import data from another browser like Mozilla Firefox or Opera or Microsoft Edge. Then you can you can use this feature here. Then you can use this option here like new tab and a new window, and also you can enable the incognito mode here. So incognito window actually. So here is space here, like new space. You can add a new space here, or you can rename a new space. You can go to the next space or the previous space. So like this, just like this. You can create a name here. You can add a separate space that you can separate for different types of work or motif. Now here is tabs, where you can find all of your tabs, that you can go to the previous tab and next tab. Also you can get some comment bar here if you want. So you can simply click on it and it will open your comment bar from here. Now here is the extension, where you can add extension by simply click on add extension, and it will actually appear in this section, but in my case it's not opening yet. So I don't know why, but let me show you. Space, previous space. So I'm going to go to space here. So let's see if it's working or not. So just you can get this extension from here. You can find all of your extension, and you can manage your extension, and you can add your extension from here. And you can find more settings here that actually you can set up according to yourself, and you can find all of your data, all of your account here that actually added, and the arc stains, you can enable the stains actually, that actually stains the sidebar. And here is, you can add backup this arc card here or anything just like this. And also there is option to sign out. So if you want to sign out from Arc, then you can easily sign out from here. And that's pretty much all things. So you can also edit, click on this edit button here to edit this space here. So change the space icon if you want. So then you can change the space icon from here. I'm going to change it for like let me show you, let me change it. What should I get to it? Like for here, like here, just the like button here. So here, just edit. So yes, like our channel, like this video if you got this helpful. Now let's go forward. That here you can actually rename the space if you want. So you can edit the theme color. You can also go with set profile. You can set more profile here. You can change between profiles here. You can create new folder here, just like this. It is untitled, so you can title anything like browser. I think browse like this. or you can more you can live folders. Actually you can add some live folder if you want. So you can also export data into folder, another folder, or you can delete a space if you want. So you can directly delete that space if you want. So it will actually delete all data from Arc, and again you have to import that data, then you can get access this all of data on this Arc. Now in this section in the search bar, you can switch to tab. Here you can find the switch to tab button, so it will actually enable you to switch to between tabs here. So just like this, and I'm going to go back, or you can reload it. This is actually reload button, this is actually go back button, and go forward button here. And here you can find the URL that you can share the URL from here. You can add the picture in picture. Also this is the most interesting feature, that you can enable the picture in picture actually. So you can also get the link, you can copy the link of that website by simply tap on this link button here. Here is some right side split, you can add this, or you can on single click on that you can add this split feature from here. So that's all about the Arc browser. So if you have any question left yet, then you can let us know by the comments below. So thanks for watching, till next time.